This is the Vivo V40 Lite, one of Vivo's newest budget smartphones that's making waves in its category. Priced at around $260, it's designed to give you great value for your money. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this phone to help you decide if it's the right one for you. So let's dive right in. Opening the box of the phone is a satisfying experience. Inside, alongside it and the charging cable, Vivo has included a transparent phone case to protect your device and an 80-watt fast charger, which is rare at this price point. So you're getting real value for your money, something that many other brands now skip out on. One of the first things you'll notice about the Vivo V40 Lite 4G is its standout design. The model I have here is the green variant and it's simply stunning. The back design is eye-catching with an elegant finish that complements the camera module. It's so well done that you might find yourself just staring at it from time to time. And even though the back is made of plastic, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Instead, it gives off a premium vibe, and there's the added bonus of being resistant to fingerprint smudges, so it always looks clean and fresh. When it comes to build quality, Vivo has also nailed it. The phone feels solid in the hand and is backed by IP64 dust and splash resistance, which is a rare feature at this price point. So it's ready to handle everyday water spills or quite a bit of dust without any worry. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display is one of the highlights of the phone. It's big, vibrant and bright enough to use outdoors, even under direct sunlight with minimal struggle. Vivo claims a peak brightness of 1800 nits, which is impressive and something you typically find on more expensive devices. With a high resolution, watching movies or streaming your favorite shows feels immersive and enjoyable. The colors are vivid, the blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is top-notch. The 120Hz refresh rate is another major win. Scrolling through apps and menus feels incredibly smooth, and it enhances the overall responsiveness of the phone. For a budget phone, this is easily one of the best displays in 2024, and it ensures you're not compromising on visual quality even at this price range. When it comes to performance, it is powered by the Snapdragon 685 processor built on a 6nm architecture. For a budget-friendly phone, this chipset offers decent performance. If you're upgrading from a typical budget phone, you'll notice a slight improvement in how the phone handles day-to-day tasks. However, if you're accustomed to the lightning-fast speeds of premium flagship devices, the performance might feel a bit underwhelming. That said, for its price, the Vivo V40 Lite performs admirably. The benchmark scores are quite respectable for its category, reflecting the phone's ability to keep up with most tasks without much lag. With 8GB of RAM, which is expandable via virtual RAM, and storage options of either 128GB or 256GB, there's enough room to multitask and store apps, photos, and videos. When it comes to gaming, the phone holds its own. It can handle popular games like PUBG, COD Mobile, and Asphalt 9 with ease, though you might need to dial down graphics settings for a smoother experience in more demanding titles. During the extended gaming sessions, you may notice some slight warming, but nothing alarming. It's well within normal limits for a device in this range. The Vivo V40 Lite 4G runs on Android 14 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 14 layered on top. The software strikes a balance between functionality and customization, giving users plenty of tools to personalize the experience. From custom themes to smart gestures, there are lots of features to explore without feeling overwhelmed. One standout aspect is that the phone comes with minimal bloatware. Unlike some budget phones that bombard you with unnecessary pre-installed apps, Vivo keeps things clean. And if there are a few apps that you don't need, they can be easily uninstalled, giving you more control over your phone's storage and performance. Vivo has also committed to 2 years of software updates, which ensures the phone remains secure and up to date for a reasonable period. For a device in this price range, this is a fair commitment and adds with long-term value. Overall, the Vivo V40 Lite offers a smooth and satisfying software experience, making it a great option for anyone seeking a budget phone that doesn't skimp on essential features. The phone comes with a dual camera setup at the back, a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor, which is basically useless, and on the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera. Now, the Vivo V series has a reputation for delivering impressive cameras, but the Lite version doesn't quite live up to the name. I did a review of the standard V40 and the difference was huge. The V40 offered a wealth of customization options in its camera app, while the V40 Lite's features feel stripped down and basic. In terms of performance, the 50MP main camera does a decent job, especially in outdoor settings, with unlimited light. It captures the essential details, but the results aren't exactly groundbreaking. If you're just snapping photos for social media or casual memories, it gets the job done. However, the selfie camera is a letdown, producing underwhelming results that pale in comparison to cheaper alternatives like the Tecno Camon 30S, which outshines this phone in both the selfie and rear camera performance. For video recording, both the rear and selfie cameras max out at 1080p at 30 frames per second, with no option for 4K video. I was honestly surprised that it couldn't even record 1080p at 60 frames per second. So if you're looking to record casual clips or memories, the results are passable, but serious video creators or vloggers might want to look elsewhere. On the bright side, the Vivo V40 Lite redeems itself with its battery and charging setup. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery just like every other phone in 2024, and it performs well. It's more than capable of lasting through a full day of moderate use, from browsing and gaming to watching videos. As said earlier, the phone has 80W fast charging, which is included in the box, and even though I haven't tested it, expect a full charge in less than 45 minutes, which is great, especially if you forgot to charge your phone overnight. You just plug it in the morning while you prepare yourself. So, should you buy the Vivo V40 Lite 4G? At $260 it's a decent offering, but it doesn't particularly shine in any area. It's a vanilla phone, delivering average performance across the board except for its 80W fast charging, which is impressive but might not be a priority for everyone. In this price range, the competition is tough. Phones like the Galaxy A35, Redmi Note 13 Pro, OnePlus Note CE4 Lite, Infinix Note 40 Pro, Nothing CMF Phone 1 and the Tecno Camon 30S Pro offer better value in one way or another. That being said, if you like Vivo's design, want a reliable fast charging, and are okay with a balanced but not extraordinary phone, the Vivo V40 Lite 4G is worth considering. Thanks for watching. I'm Milan and this is Fuzitech. Subscribe.